Back to Crypto Moonshots. Great to have you guys back, and let's jump straight into it. So today we're going to be looking at Bepro, and it's kind of been annoying me, man, because I think my last prediction was incorrect. I unfortunately, and I really apologize about that, I told you guys I would get in here, right? And what I assumed was it's going to come here and then consolidate here and then shoot back up, right? And you know what? It's kind of annoying me because if you want me to be honest, I really don't know what this coin is doing. I really don't, okay? Because here, let me kind of explain to you why, okay? So originally, right, I told you guys that you should buy here, right? And I know my channel was kind of new, so I don't think you guys were watching me then, but I told you guys to buy there, right? And when we were on this run, right? I really thought because it tested it once, twice, three times, this line right here, right? This 0.032 line, I really thought I could pass it, but instead it came back down, and then I assumed that because this yellow line is it was a daily level of support, right? It was a daily level of support. I thought it would hold. But it didn't. It didn't hold, and we're kind of back down to where we started from, and it's just been kind of insane because if you look at this, right, if we kind of draw a triangle, I mean, it's like a triangle. It just went up, and now it's like coming back down, right? So it's kind of annoying because we really thought, or at least I thought that this time it's going to push up more, right? But then it got rejected, and then I thought it would hold the support, and then it came back down. Okay, so let's kind of assume, let's just look at what's going on. Let's see what's going on with it. Why is it acting this way? Obviously, it's not like a living thing, so that's just the way it is. But so let's take a look. So it hit this line, right? And we drew this line before, that was this candle was a thing, right? So we drew it correctly, right? So our lines are correct, right? So this line is correct, right? This line should be correct, right? And then this line ended up being correct. So our support and resistance levels should be correct, okay? Should be correct. So went up, right? Touched that thing, right? And then look at this, And if you follow me, I've been talking about these candles a lot. These candles, right? When this is basically like a war zone, right? Because the bulls and bears are fighting so much that the price is going so up and down, right? That the body that is formed is so little, right? So this means that this is like a coin toss. This candle is a coin toss, right? So the fact that it did that kind of tells me that this line and the fact that it touched here, right? That tells me that this line that we drew before should be accurate. Okay, it should be accurate. And then came back down, right? It came back down, wick through, right? And then continued. So lower swing low, right? Swing low, keeps going lower, right? And then now again, coin toss candle, right? Coin toss candle. And then now we're kind of back where we started. All right, we're kind of back where we started, unfortunately, right? Because we thought that this was a downtrend, right? So we thought because of this downtrend and it consolidated two times, right? We thought, okay, so it's been consolidating long enough for it to make a run, right? That's what we assumed, okay? But we're kind of back to the beginning, right? We're kind of back to where we were. I think I started talking about Bepro like when it was right here, and we're kind of back there, okay? So kind of back to the beginning. So let's kind of look and see what's been happening and where we can go from here, okay? So as you can see, this level of support did not hold, okay? Now, did we hold this as level of support before? Yes, we did, right? And, one time, two time right there, right? Yes, this one did wick through, but once, twice kind of, right? Right here, right? Right here, right? And then we held it as support, right? So I assumed that not only did I assume that it's going to hold support here, but I assumed that it's also going to hold level support there, okay? And it didn't, and obviously anything can happen. And now it's kind of in a weird phase where is this going to be And actually, if you kind of look at this, this is a swing low right here, right? This can kind of be a line too, like a 4-hour line. Okay, so we can kind of, and if we look to the left right here, so we'll use that as a line as well. Okay, and then now it's kind of, you know, stuck between these two lines. Okay, so that's what's been going on. Where can it go up from here? I don't know. I really don't know. Um, I'm not even going to put price prediction in the title because I kind of have no idea what's going on with it. Obviously, long term to midterm, the only way is up, right? I mean, that just looks like such a weird graph. Like, that just, you know, like, look at that. That just, you know, it's just, you know, boom, like, and then back down. I don't know. That just looks weird to me. That's okay though, because Bepro, this we're at all time highs, right? Like, this is the first time ever, right? This is the first time ever that we're at these levels in the history of Bepro. So we don't have too much data to look at, and that's why our technical analysis can be off sometimes, right? That's why. So we can kind of make the best assumptions, but we also don't know what's going to happen. Okay, and yeah, so this is a level of resistance still, right? This is a level of resistance still, right? And then a whole candle, if we like really zoom in, a whole candle formed below it, but then it wicked above, and now it's kind of green or blue, right? So there was a candle, a full candle that formed above or below this level of 0.023, okay? So that's a bearish sign. That's a bearish sign. When a full candle forms below that level, then it becomes resistance. So technically right now, it's resistance. Okay. Um, that's what that means. Okay. And then if we take a peek at the 2-hour and the 1-hour, so yeah, it's kind of been going up. So if you're kind of like day trading, again, I would wait. If it goes a little bit above this line, if it goes above this 0.023, you can buy right there. Then it's going to come up here and sell right there. Okay, easy money like that if you want to do it like that. If you're holding, keep holding. And yeah, man, this coin just kind of confuses me. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos on Bepro, because it's been a little confusing recently, and it's kind of been hard to make price predictions for it. So let me know what type of coins you guys want to see me do, and yeah, thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate it, and have a good one.